Can you use any household cleaner to clean air conditioner coils? No, most household cleaners are not appropriate for evaporator or condenser coils because they can damage soft aluminum fins or leave residues that reduce heat transfer. Use a foaming coil cleaner labeled for air conditioning systems and follow the product directions for contact time and rinsing. Before applying any cleaner, power down the unit at the disconnect or breaker and remove debris with a soft brush or compressed air to avoid bending fins or pushing dirt deeper into the coils. Apply the foaming cleaner from the coil face so it expands between the fins and carry dissolved grime out with a gentle rinse of low-pressure water from the opposite side of airflow. Avoid ammonia, bleach, oven cleaners, or concentrated degreasers unless they are specifically formulated for coils because those chemicals can corrode solder joints, strip protective coatings, or degrade fin material. If the coils are heavily soiled or if you see oil or refrigerant residues, stop and call an HVAC professional since those conditions may indicate a larger system issue that simple cleaning will not fix. Common mistakes start with using high-pressure water which can bend fins and reduce airflow, so always use a garden hose on a low setting or a pump sprayer for rinsing. Another frequent error is selecting a general-purpose cleaner that leaves a sticky residue which attracts more dirt. Pick a foaming coil cleaner designed to rinse clean and verify its compatibility with aluminum and copper. A third concern is not isolating power, which risks short circuits or injury. So always switch off the unit and verify it is de-energized before working near electrical components. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and browse project examples related to air conditioning, maintenance, and repairs. We also connect contractors with potential customers and host a discussion community where we share tips, product experiences, and troubleshooting advice.